Hey, shut the fuck up!
You're finally listening?
I just got back.
Bro, he's been like this, bro.
Is he actually asleep?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Why are we just leaving here?
I had the clip of us realizing that he's, like, snoring.
You want me to move him?
Nah, he's okay.
It's ambiance.
This is fucking hilarious.
I never want to hear shit about me again. That one was so deep.